You can give so many questions as you want. Tomorrow is not possible more.
As you can see that this is the 150th time.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
4 million.
Yes, this total reactance is...
It's good. Is it your design?
Yeah.
Okay. I've seen, I'm very surprised you have learned enough in the last months. Yes, he's learned enough.
This value is okay?
This is good, yeah, this is good, yeah. It's high, but the value is dependent from 60 cycles per second.
Yes.
Yeah.
We changed the frequency. How about this?
Yeah.
This is...
Yeah, 3.5 million.
Yeah.
It's a big...
It's big?
Yeah, a big system. With long... may I see general data?
Yeah.
General data, how long is the x-axis?
Okay.
50 meter.
Yeah.
50 meter, yeah.
This is...
You see that? X high is long, X high is it short, it's low. Yeah. 50 meter. It is built? Is this furnace built?
No,
This is
friend.
Design.
It's a project.
Friend design, yeah.
Yeah, it's a project for you.
Yeah.
Many, some furnace manufacturers try to make in their own company a standardization of furnaces.
Yeah.
Standardization. Yeah. For this production and this power, we need this construction. You should do that because sometimes you will have 100 different examples and you have no standardization. You asked me about standardization. Try to make a standardization. Yeah? And print all furnaces, what you have. Yeah. P megawatt and then tons print all what you construct and see that must be this, yes. If I have so many prints and also productivity. Tons per minute. How many liquid steel per minute? This you should do that because you know, there's 100 tons system. I need for this 100 ton system a power of 80 megawatt. And if we change this and want to increase the productivity, how many power you need more? You must try to make a standardization. Take all your examples and make a try of standardization. Then you also will have the question of reactance. Reactances. X. If the capacity is increasing, and then you get a standardization for your own or for your company. Yeah? Do that. I see you have made construction of several examples, and if you are asked, you remember, oh, I did make this 6 months before, and look into your system and you see, oh, this was my example, and please make this. This is a good meaning from me to you. Yeah, try to make a standardization and compares with actual melting furnaces in your own company. Okay.
근데 이거는 괜찮은 것 같아요. 지금
어떤 거?
알고
싶은 거지? 네.
그치?
예, 약간 크기 약간 조절하고 그게 뭐 이제 기계적으로 공지하는지 그런 것도 체크하면서 주게 약간 길이 정도만 조절해서 리액턴스 값은
근데 여기 이제 여기에
달라진 거지 이제 변할 게 있는 거 사용.
델타 커넥션이
예,
추가가 돼야 될 것 같은데 지금 이렇게 하는 거는 비싸지니까 트랜스포머에 이렇게 이제
안에서 그래서
그치 이런 형태는 very expensive transformer.
What?
Very expensive
Transformer?
Yeah, this case.
Expensive?
Very expensive. Yeah.
From what
this-
company?
In this style, in this case,
Yeah?
we are added more additional reactants.
Yeah? On the primary of the transformer?
Second.
On the secondary? Where did you make the reactants? Or what side? I do not see the reactants. On the secondary, you make a reactants?
Yeah.
You can make an additional.
Transformer connection. 저렇게 만들어질 수 있을까?
You make an additional reactants on the secondary side.
No. TR 찾아서 저기 커넥션 부분을 맞춰가 무조건 또
네, 그러네. 근데
결과를 만들어야 될 것 같은데
10톤 봤는데 10톤도 리액턴스가 거의 비슷해가지고 너무 네, 그리고 이거 크기 보니까 전체적으로 이게 너무
11m야? 10톤도?
네, 이게 보시면 60톤짜리도 60톤짜리가
11m인데
네, 10톤짜리가
11 meters.
야,
It's also large furnace.
Yeah, 60톤.
This model is just
10톤.
10톤, but this reactors is very big.
You can use it with closed eyes, yes? I'm very astonished. Why we make this seminar and training, he is already fit. He came as a fit man. Okay. Do you have any questions for the programs? For this book? You know, we have calculated many years before also the electrical parameters like this from the total system. This is only for the data connection. In each phase, the currents, the powers, and I showed it before, and it's an old manual. And also, dependent from the furnace current or electrical parameters of the system, also the arc length, the power of the system you see there, and it's dependent from this design. This is the arc, the high current system, this the furnace transformer, additional reactor if necessary, from the TCR, dynamic compensation, capacitor compensation, until the network. We have used this very often, and these are the parameters of the input. Everything that there's possible, you can, of this system, you can give in, and you can receive all parameters you want to have. Secondary voltages of the transformer, primary, and this is also the typical furnace, electric arc furnace. This is additional use. Normally you do not have this. This we have done, and I use this for preparing this. And here you can see a calculation what happens in the triangle system with the currents if you have unsymmetric reactance solution, and this is the same if you have a total symmetric solution, also in the triangle system. Yes, we can calculate many things, and we have done this many years before. I think this is also written in not Windows, in the first language of Windows. Okay, but we have used it very often. Okay, are there more questions? We want to walk in the town and have the last dinner together. This evening is my evening.
Okay.
I will try, depending on the weather. We have no snow.
Yes, good.
Mr. Yom is walking like in summer. I will think.
Oh.
Snow?
Yes, really.
Little bit.
Yeah,
If the weather is bad, we have snowstorm, and the traffic can broken down. especially when there's ice raining. It's cold and there's coming warm water, and you can have it. This is you can print, but it is not shown in our manual, because I cannot print this as a file in the manual. Can only print this with a printer.
Yeah.
Yeah, you understand? I did not get this. I only got this. Okay. Any questions more from you? You have a lot to work when you come home. And you are glad that there's no wrong mistake made. Because I've seen you was very angry.